Humans have, for so many years, been living with pets and domestic animals for different purposes. The difference between domestic animals and pets is not that explicit because the phrase domestic animals also covers pets. The only apparent difference is between wild animals and domestic animals or pets, as wild animals are disobedient to human beings and live in the wild. This article highlights the main difference between pets and domestic animals. In a nutshell, domestic animals are the animals captured and tamed to live with humans for economic purposes. They supply many products such as meat, dairy products, wools, leather, and also used to plow the land for agricultural purposes. Pets, on the other hand, are the animals solely kept for companionship in the household. What are domestic animals? Domestic animals are once wild animals that have been captured for many years and conditioned to adapt to different living conditions in the farm or households. Mainly, they are captured for economic reasons. Having livestock today is considered a lucrative investment. Meat and dairy products are provided by domesticated animals such as pigs, goats, sheep, chickens, and cows. Other products such as wool or merino wool from sheep, while the down insulating materials are from the duck or goose captured as domestic animals. Camels, donkeys, and horses are used for agricultural purposes to work the land or for other transportation needs. Humans can tame domestic animals and even breed them to produce specific breeds with unique characters by modifying their genetics. There are also artificial agricultural production methods to increase production of, for example, eggs. Domestic animals are largely used for economic purposes, with some also for recreational purposes. They predominantly rely on humans for their feeding requirements, although some can still go into the wild for grazing needs. Other domestic animals, especially mothers, can be dangerous to humans and can also be life-threatening when protecting their babies. This happens if the relationship between humans and domestic animals is not well established. Owners of domestic animals or caregivers seldom encounter such unfortunate situations where they are attacked by the domesticated animals. What are pets? The popular pets are dogs and cats. Generally, pets are animals that are captured mainly for companionship. They have an emotional attachment to the owners and other members of the households. Some pets, like dogs, have their ancestral origins in the wild. Wolves. There is a wide variety of pets which include rats, hamsters, snakes, lizards, fowl, avian pets, frogs, and many. The capturing of pets is seldom linked to any economic benefits, but for companionship. Humans have introduced breeding techniques which produce different species of pets. There are many dog breeds such as pit bulls and German shepherds. These bred species can never survive in the wild with their counterparts because of their modified genes. As a result, they rely on humans for their feeding requirements. Any wild animal that is obedient to humans can become a pet. But most wild animals are scared of humans because they consider humans as dangerous predators. It is therefore difficult to establish any relationship with any animal. Dogs and cats are, however, the popular household pets. They have a strong relationship with their owners. When they have health complications, they can be taken to veterinary facilities to be given care. It is because of the cozy and intimate relationship between pets and owners that owners are prepared to spend a lot for their health and nutritional needs. Pets can be dangerous to strangers. They protect their owners and members of the household. Others are used by law enforcement officers to catch criminals. If pets get sick, they can potentially infect humans because of the contact. Key difference between pets and domestic animals. Definition: pets are animals for companionship purposes, while domestic animals are kept for their economic benefits. Examples: pets include cats, snakes, and dogs, whereas domestic animals include cows, donkeys, horses, chickens, sheep, and goats. Dwelling: pets stay with humans in the household most of the times. They protect them from strangers. Domestic animals, on the other hand, seldom stay in the households. Only a selected number of domestic animals such as chickens stay in the household. Aggressiveness: pets are often aggressive to strangers into the household. There should be a strong relationship established between pets and members of the household. Domestic animals are rarely aggressive unless provoked, particularly the mothers when protecting their babies. They can attack humans to death. We are almost wrapping up. These are the common differences between these two. Hope you like this video. Please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.